Think every outdoor security camera offers the same protection? Think again. Some miss important moments, while others keep watch day and night. In this video, we're revealing the best outdoor security cameras that stand out for video quality, smart features, and reliable performance, helping you choose the right one for your home. Let's get started. Number 1. Blink 1080p Security Camera. The Blink 1080p security camera is designed for homeowners who want reliable outdoor monitoring without complicated installation or high maintenance. As one of the most affordable wireless options available, this camera stands out with its impressive 2-year battery life, powered by included AA lithium batteries. This long-lasting performance reduces the need for frequent replacements and makes it ideal for busy users. The camera delivers clear 1080p HD live view, ensuring that important details such as faces, movements, and packages are visible both day and night. Infrared night vision enhances nighttime security, while two-way audio allows you to communicate directly with visitors or delivery personnel through the Blink app. Setup is quick and user-friendly, making it suitable even for first-time users. The enhanced dual-zone motion detection system sends fast alerts to your smartphone, helping you stay informed about activity around your home. Number 2. aosu 5 GHz Security Camera. The aosu 5 GHz security camera is built for users who want a powerful, subscription-free security system with advanced smart features. One of its biggest advantages is the included aosu base, which provides encrypted local storage without any monthly fees. With 32 gigabytes of built-in memory, it can store up to 4 months of loop recordings, ensuring your footage remains accessible even if the camera is damaged or lost. This makes it a highly secure and cost-effective solution for long-term surveillance. What truly sets this camera apart is its innovative multi-camera management system. Cross-camera tracking links related events from multiple cameras, making it easier to review incidents. The ability to view 4 live streams simultaneously on one screen adds convenience for homeowners managing larger properties. Additionally, centralized control allows you to manage multiple cameras with a single tap, improving efficiency. The built-in solar panel ensures continuous operation with minimal maintenance. Just a few hours of sunlight per day is enough to keep the battery charged, even in cloudy conditions. Number 3. Fazoxo 2.4 GHz Security Camera. The Fazoxo 2.4 GHz security camera is a versatile solution for homeowners seeking high-resolution monitoring with low maintenance requirements. Powered by a high-efficiency solar panel, this camera significantly reduces the need for manual charging. With adequate sunlight, it maintains consistent operation, making it ideal for remote or hard-to-reach outdoor locations. Its wire-free design supports flexible installation without complicated wiring. This model features impressive 2K UHD video quality, delivering sharp and detailed footage both day and night. Standard infrared night vision ensures visibility in low-light conditions, while the built-in spotlight activates full-color night vision for enhanced detail. The 3x digital zoom allows users to focus on critical areas such as entryways, driveways, and license plates, improving overall situational awareness. Storage options are flexible and user-friendly. The camera includes basic cloud storage with a 3-day rolling backup, providing short-term access to recordings. Users who require longer storage can upgrade to premium cloud plans or insert a microSD card for local recording. Number 4. Ring Alexa Security Camera. The Ring Alexa Security Camera, stick-up cam battery, is a flexible and reliable option for users who want seamless integration with smart home systems. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, this camera adapts easily to different environments. Its battery-powered design allows for placement almost anywhere, whether mounted on a wall, placed on a surface, or installed on a ceiling with optional accessories. One of its strongest features is live view with two-way talk, enabling real-time communication through the Ring app. This allows homeowners to interact with visitors, monitor deliveries, or check on family members remotely. The camera connects effortlessly to other Ring devices, creating a unified security network that covers every corner of the property. The rechargeable battery makes installation simple and reduces reliance on wiring. Setup takes only minutes, making it suitable for users who prefer hassle-free solutions. Motion alerts keep you informed about activity, and optional Ring Protect subscriptions unlock advanced AI-powered notifications and video history. These features help users stay aware of important events and review past footage when needed. Number 5. REOLINK 5 GHz Security Camera. The REOLINK 5 GHz security camera is designed for users who demand ultra-high-definition monitoring and advanced deterrence features. Equipped with a 4K 8MP sensor, it delivers exceptionally clear video, capturing fine details that standard cameras often miss. The built-in spotlight enables full-color night vision, ensuring vivid nighttime recordings and improving identification accuracy. This camera offers true wire-free convenience, supporting both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks. Its upgraded 3W solar panel provides continuous power, minimizing charging interruptions and maintenance. Installation is quick and straightforward, allowing users to build a complete security system in minutes without professional help. With 355-degree pan and 140-degree tilt, the camera provides near-complete area coverage, eliminating blind spots. Through the REOLINK app, users can remotely control movement, access live feeds, and communicate using two-way audio. This makes it ideal for monitoring entrances, yards, and driveways from anywhere. Smart detection technology distinguishes between people, vehicles, and pets. Thank you for exploring our guide to the best outdoor security solutions designed for real-life protection and everyday confidence. We hope this comparison helps you choose wisely, secure your space effectively, and invest in long-term safety for your home, family, and valuable belongings.